everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Sarah Christina. If you're returning, welcome back. You know I love having you guys here. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys my favorite e.l.f. cosmetic products that I use all the time. I was watching a lot of YouTube videos, and a lot of people are doing like a full face of one brand or a full face of first impressions. So I thought, you know what? Instead of all this new makeup, I'm going to do a full face of my favorite one brand products. So, and I picked e.l.f. Cosmetics because it's affordable. Their products are amazing. You get great quality, and for a low price, you can't go wrong. So, if you guys want to watch this video, get comfy, and let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to use is the e.l.f. Putty Primer, and girl, I love this primer, I swear. It's not like a complete dupe for the Tatcha primer, but it's very close, and like, I don't know. I love putting it on my face. It feels really good. It covers my pores. It's just really, really good. But they also have these primers right here. This is the Mineral Infused Face Primer. And this is actually really, really good. It is a silicone base, but it feels amazing and very velvety on your skin. And they also have the poreless one and the tone adjusting one. This one's pink. I don't know if you can tell. And this one is purple. But they are all amazing primers. I love them, and I use them all the time. So I'm going in, and I'll put some of the putty primer on. Ooh. Okay, so I put the primer on, and I love this primer. It feels so good. So next for foundation, I think it's new. They say it's new, but I'm not sure, but it's new to me. Is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. When I bought this, I bought it not that long ago, but in the summertime I think it was. And when I bought it, it was a little too light for me because I go really, really dark in the summertime because I'm European, and in the summer I go nice and dark, and in the winter I'm Casper the Friendly Ghost. So I couldn't use it over the summer, but now in the winter, it's still a little too light for me, but it matches me a bit more because, like I said, I go really light in the winter, so I don't mind using it now. So that is the foundation on. Do you see how pretty it is? Like, I love this foundation. Girl, I have to go get my freaking eyebrows done. Do you see that? That is so gross. I am so sorry, guys. I will get those done as soon as I can, so please don't hate me for them. Okay, so that is the foundation. I love it. Like I said, I couldn't wear it over the summer, but it's not the best match, but it does match me a little bit better than it did in the summertime, and I like it. I like the way it feels. It's not like full coverage. It's more like a medium to full coverage, but I like the way it looks on the skin, and I like the way it feels, and it lasts a good amount of time. So next, these are amazing. The 16-hour camo concealers. I love these. Love, love, love them. They are so good. I bought two of them. I bought this one in medium beige, and then this one in medium sand. I bought the darker one for the summer because, like I said, guys, I go really dark in the summer, and you guys will see that. So I can't wait to show you. So I'm just gonna blend this out, and then we'll move on. And this concealer is, oh my goodness, phenomenal. The coverage is amazing. It blends so easily. Like, look at that. Done. Okay, looks flawless and lasts so long. And I find I like to put it on my eyelids too for when I do my eyes, because it's great for it. Like, it really sits good on the eye. Like, look at that. It's just all around an amazing, amazing concealer, guys. Go get it. It's $5, right? Right? $5. Like, I couldn't believe it when they said $5 for, I'm not even kidding, Tarte Shade Tape in e.l.f. Amazing. Next is for brow. My favorite brow product from e.l.f. is, I actually really enjoy this. I hear people saying it's no good and this and that, but it really works for me. And it's the little e.l.f. Duo. It is so cute. I love it. I love how compact it is. It's got a little mirror. I love that it's small. You can travel with it. It's just overall amazing and cheap. So I'm gonna go put my brows on because they take a minute and I don't want to have you sitting here forever, and I will be right back. Alright, so brows are done. I didn't go too crazy with them because, like I said, I need to go get them done, so I'm sorry. So moving on, we are going to use powder. And now, this is a small little powder from them, but it's so good for the under eye. I love the way it performs, and I love the way it makes my under eyes look. So I'm just going to tap this in under my eyes and where I can see. Now, to set the rest of my face, I went in with this e.l.f. Finishing powder, and I love this powder. It is so good. I think I paid under $10 for it, but it is amazing, and it really sets your foundation really beautiful. You can also do under your eyes with it, and I don't know, I just really like it. I love the finish of it, and like I said, guys, all their products are so affordable, and definitely you're getting great value for what you're paying. I'm like, some of the products I look and I'm shocked because, like, how can you seriously give these products pretty much away when they work so good? But then that's a brand I support e.l.f. so much because that's a brand that gets it, that knows that we can't afford $50, $60, you know, for an eyeshadow palette or blush, or, you know, they understand that, and it's affordable for everybody else, you know? So now for bronzer, I am really loving this 50, I think it's 50 eyeshadow and the face kit. Oh my goodness, I can't even talk right now. I am so sorry. But you get your bronzers, you get your blushes, and underneath, this comes apart, and you get your eyeshadows, which is amazing. I love this thing. It is so amazing. It's pretty much all you need to take on a trip, and they work so good. So I'm going to go in with, I don't want to go too heavy today, so I'm going to go in with this one right here for my bronzer. And I'm just going to take my BH Cosmetics Royal Affair brush number 2, and I'm just going to bronze the face with it. Do you see how pretty it is? It's very... Okay, so I went in with the bronzer. Look how beautiful that looks. Isn't it not beautiful, guys? And then I went in with this one right here, this color blush on the cheeks. Not too heavy. Like I said, I'm going for a more natural look. I just really wanted to show you guys these products because, like I said, they're so affordable and they're so high quality. It's stunning to me that they can do that for us, and I love that they do that for us because, like I said, not all of us can afford it, and it's crazy. So my favorite eyeshadow palettes are these little 10, oh my god, I can't even get this one open. Oh my god. Ah, got it. Are these 10 pan eyeshadow palettes. This one is the Nude Rose Gold, and this one is Summer Breeze, and oh, aren't they not gorgeous, guys? And the pigmentation is out of this world. So here's some swatches of the shimmers. Look at that. So beautiful, right? And then I'll swatch a couple of the mattes in this one. And they feel like butter. They're so creamy, beautifully pigmented. I just love it. I'm sorry if these look horrible, guys. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? And they're $10 each. Oh, but I wanted to tell you guys, they're having the spring sale coming up, and these are going to be on there for $4 each. So make sure you head to their webpage. If you are a Beauty Squad member, you can go right now and get the deals. But if you're not, I think you've got to wait a little bit longer, but go and sign up, guys, because that is a deal. So I'm going to go in with this one right here and just put it into my crease. Like I said, I'm not going too crazy today because Okay, guys, so for my eyes, I went in with this one first, and then I put that one in my crease also, and then I put this one on my lid. Can you see that? And then that one a little bit on my outer corner and also in my crease. And I think it looks really good. It's just a simple, quick, easy look. But these are definitely worth the money, guys. Like I said, there's a sale. They're going to have a spring sale. If you are a squad member or a beauty squad member, you can get the sale prices right now. And these are going for $4. If not, I think the sale is coming up soon. So for setting spray, I love the setting spray from e.l.f. It's so good. And so refreshing and really just helps the makeup stay settled. All right, and last but not least, mascara, and then I will show you my favorite lippy from them. Well, it's like a lip pencil. But this is the mascara. I actually don't mind this mascara. It's actually pretty good. If you guys wondering why I'm looking this way, I'm looking in my mirror because I really need to get in close for my eyelashes. But, yeah, I like this mascara. It really gives my lashes some volume and makes them long and full looking. I go in with like 2 coats, but I really like it. I like the way it makes my lashes look. And I don't have to wear falsies, and I just got it all over my eye. But do you see? Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Like, and I think I only paid $2 for this mascara. But it's so good. It's definitely one of my favorites. You know, like I said, e.l.f. makes such incredible products for such a good, not discounted, but... Okay, guys, so that's the mascara on. It does get a little clumpy, but I like it. It looks like I'm wearing falsies, and I'm not. These are actually my real eyelashes. And then I went in from the Summer Breeze palette, the black, and I put it in my waterline, and then just put mascara on my lower lashes as well. So last but not least, this is their e.l.f. lip definer and girl, I can't speak today. I don't know what's wrong. Somebody like hit me over the head with something, please. Maybe then I'll wake up. But anyways, this is the lip definer and shaper, and it's in the shade Nude. And I love it. It's so pretty. I love the color of it. I don't know what it is. I really like it, and it looks so good on the lips. It's not too much. It's okay, guys, so that is the final look. What I did is I put the lip pencil both sides all over my lips, and then I went in with a lip plumper. I don't want to put it on camera because it's not an e.l.f. one. I'm still waiting on a couple new products that I just ordered from them, but I really wanted to do a video on some of their other older products that they're still out there that are amazing, and I think that people should really, you know, go into your old makeup and use that again and love it again, you know, instead of going out and always having to buy all these new collections all the time. Use what you got and remember why you bought it in the first place. So that's what I'm doing. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me. Hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my uploads. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys so much.